Hey folks, Gray here, and guess what? It's September, so it's National Preparedness Month. All right, so September is nationally recognized as Preparedness Month. And I do have some things on the schedule in regards to like reviews and other projects that I have for the month of September. But basically, I'd like to get a little interaction with you, the viewers, in regards to what would you like to see during National Preparedness Month. So, what I mean by that is, would you like to see more pantry type of videos in regards to pantry hauls, maybe some organization tips and tricks, things of that nature? Maybe you want to see some more things like how to start fires, what type of fire starting materials that you should use, tips in regards to bug out bags, get home bags, and you kind of see where that's going. EDC kits, be it micro EDC kits to full on, full size EDC kits, what you carry on your person, gardening techniques, different plants, maybe medicinal plants versus, edible plants. uh, I've been trying to think of other options in regards to what encompasses emergency preparedness. So, some people have asked me, "Hey, Gray, you live in Florida, so you deal with a lot of storms, power outages, and hurricanes, and other natural situations that happen to arise being on a coastline. And do you have a blackout kit? Basically, a blackout kit is basically also kind of known as, an emergency kit that you keep on the shelf that when you have a power outage or whatnot. I haven't had to run into the issue. I do have an old blackout kit that I keep prepped just to have it on the shelf. I could show something like that on the channel if you're interested in something like that. But I'm just trying to get some viewer feedback in regards to what would you like to see. Maybe there's topics that I'm missing here that I'm just not thinking of at the moment, or that I've pondered sitting down, going through, the list that I like to make for myself in regards to what I think is important to you, the viewers. It could be, hey, Gray, you've never done this type of video. I'd like to see your thoughts on this or how you go about that, and so on and so forth. I try to encompass a lot of different variations in regards to prepping on the channel, everything from like simple things into the reviews and to other videos that have probably been done 1,000 times, but with my twist on it. And so I thought this would be just kind of like an introduction video to National Preparedness Month. It's ironic. A few years back, I started the 5 C's of survival, and I wanted to expand it to the 10 C's, but I never got to the fifth C. I even made a playlist, but I never got it. So I'm probably going to finish that up this year. I think we're at the cutting for that. When it comes to axes, knives, and different types of blades, and what's the most important one? Which one should you have? Or the variety of different types of blades that you should, kind of keep in your preparedness kit or in your vehicle or so on and so forth. So I've been thinking a lot about this moving forward. And, I'm just kind of pushing now that my birthday's past me and most of the holidays are gone. I can move forward into focusing more on the channel and thinking of different ideas. Now, let's say you come up with an idea and I don't get to it through September because I'm busy with other things or whatnot, but I would kind of like push that into the following months and kind of take note of what you said in the comment section in regards to what you would like to see moving forward on the channel when it comes to, emergency preparedness. I've been trying to think of anything else that I want to say in here because you guys know that I love to ramble. And as I look around, there's just so many different options of things and directions that we can go into. But I think the best, is viewer engagement. And viewer engagement basically means, what are you looking for to see on the channel? Or maybe something you haven't seen in a long time and you'd like to see my perspective on that. So, folks, if you could please do me a favor and share this with your friends, hit that thumbs up button and all that stuff for the algo, and leave a comment to answer some of these questions because I would like to incorporate that into the channel for National Preparedness Month. Outside of that, folks, I hope you have a phenomenal weekend. I'll catch up back with everybody on Monday. Folks, just remember, you are not alone. This is GreyMan. I'm out. I'll see you guys on the rebound. God bless all you amazing people out there. And again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And don't forget to leave a comment.